Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to sync iPhone and iPad. After setting up a new iPad, I started wondering how to sync my iPhone data with it. While it's possible to wirelessly sync the Mac and iPhone by connecting them to same Wi-Fi network, this functionality is not available for iPhone and iPad. So I did some research and found that the best way to wirelessly sync iPhone and iPad is using iCloud. If you are subscribed to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is set up iCloud on iPhone. Before syncing your iPad, you must upload all your iPhone data to iCloud. So connect your iPhone to a stable cellular data or Wi-Fi network. For this, go to your settings and then tap on your name at the top and ensure you are signed in with the correct Apple ID and then tap iCloud. Next, tap on show all. Navigate to and turn on all the options including photos, iCloud Drive, password and keychain, etc. Also toggle on the apps you want to sync with your iPad. You may skip apps like WhatsApp that have their own backup function. All your app data, settings and other content will now be uploaded to iCloud. It could take a while though. If you are using the free iCloud storage, it may not be able to accommodate all of your iPhone data. In this case, you must upgrade to iCloud Plus for more cloud storage space. Alternatively, you can back up your iPhone and restore it to your iPad to synchronize them, and you are done. And then you have to sign in to iCloud using the same Apple ID on iPad. Also on iPad, go to settings and then tap on your name at the top. Make sure you are using the same Apple ID as on your iPhone. And then on iPad, go to iCloud and then tap on show all. And then turn on all the options enabled on the iPhone. To get the existing iPhone apps on your iPad, it may download them from the App Store. Syncing may take time to complete depending on the size. Ensure that your iPad is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network and has enough battery juice. I noticed that only my iPhone's media, contacts, calendar, messages and data related to existing apps were synchronized on my iPad. New apps downloaded on one device were not appearing on other one. To resolve this, you must sync app downloads across your iPhone and iPad. For this, you have to turn on automatic downloads. To automatically install your iPhone's free and paid apps on your iPhone, go to Settings app, scroll down and go to App Store. Scroll down and toggle on app downloads. However, note that the apps downloaded automatically won't be deleted from one device if you uninstall them from another device. Also, if the app is only available for iPhones, it may not work on iPad. Besides, you may sync your purchased books and podcasts on your iPhone and iPad. And you are done. And the next step is how to sync iPhone to iPad while setting up. For this, go to settings and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, tap on iCloud. Scroll down and then tap on iCloud Backup. Next, toggle on Backup this iPhone and then tap on Backup now. Once your iPhone backup is ready, start setting up your iPad and use the Quick Start method. On the Restore Your Apps and Data page, select Continue to transfer data from iCloud and then follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup. Now your iPad will be the same data and content as your iPhone. If no longer want to sync your iPhone activities with your iPad, you may easily unsync them. For this, you just need to sign out of your Apple ID on your iPad and enter your Apple ID password and you are done. However, you can't access Apple services on your iPad with this approach. As alternative, you may go into the iCloud settings on your iPad and disable iCloud syncing for individual app and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of how to sync iPhone and iPad, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.